Did you know that if you change the URL or link for your YouTube channel, it won't affect your views, rankings, and comments? In this video, I'll show you how to get a new custom URL on YouTube in 2020 or change your current URL. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to remove a custom URL and claim a new one. Hi, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified immediately when I upload new videos. What are the eligibility requirements to get a custom URL? Number one, you've got to have 100 or more subscribers. Number two, your channel must be at least 30 days old. Number three, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon. Number four, have uploaded channel art. Here are steps to get a new custom URL for your YouTube channel. Just keep in mind you want to create an easy to remember web address for your YouTube channel. Keep in mind you can't edit the custom URL once it's been created. Recently I changed my channel name from iSiteBuild to Drost Video. As you can see, the previous URL is youtube.com/user/iSiteBuild, and I want to change this to Drost Video to reflect my current content. Log into YouTube channel, click on your profile icon, click on settings. Here's my new channel name, Drost Video, which I can edit on Google. If you want to know how to change your channel name, just click the link in the card. Click Advanced Settings over here or click View Advanced Settings. Under Custom URL, it says you're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. If your channel's not eligible for a custom URL, you can remove the URL and claim a new one. I'll show you how to do this later. Click Claim it here. It says Get a custom URL. Here's how you'll look on YouTube. youtube.com/c/Drost Video. Even though Drost Video is capitalized here, you can still use the lowercase letters as well. YouTube gives me all these options. Drost Video capitalized, one word capitalized, my old URL. I can add a suffix of my choosing, and I can add a suffix to my old URL. Next, check the box that says I have read and agreed to the custom URL. You can read through the terms of use right here. Here's a couple of points that stood out for me. A YouTube channel may only have one custom URL. No custom URL can be sold, transferred, or assigned to anyone. Custom URLs are free for now, but we may start charging a fee for them. Don't include words and phrases in custom URLs that would violate terms of service and YouTube community guidelines. And this one really stood out for me. We may discontinue offering custom URLs at any time and without notice. So if you agree to those terms of use, just check the box and click Change URL. It says, are you sure you want to change your public URL to youtube.com/c/Drost Video? Once you confirm this custom URL, you can't change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. Click Confirm Choice. YouTube says it may take a couple of days for the previous URL to deactivate. So let's check it out. As you can see, the URL has been changed already from youtube.com/Drost Video. I can put a C in there. It's still the same. I can also capitalize it. And I can also put a C in between using the capitalized version. The easiest custom URL to remember is youtube.com/Drost Video. So that's the one I'm going to use. Once you confirm your custom URL, you can't change it or transfer it to someone else. So make sure it's the one you want. What if you want to remove the custom URL and claim a new one? Sign into your YouTube channel, go to your About Me page, which is aboutme.google.com. Click the profile icon on the top right. Click on all your brand accounts. Select your account. Here I can change the name of my channel if I wish. And here's my custom URL. Click the pencil icon next to sites. Here it says Custom URLs. Release a custom URL to disable it and remove it from your account. So if I want to remove this, I just click the X and click OK. If I'm eligible, I can claim a new custom URL right away based upon the steps I just showed you. It may take a few days for the previous URL to deactivate, but in my case, it changed right away. In this case, I'm just going to click Cancel. Here's some important things to keep in mind. Number one, you can't edit your custom URL. To claim a new custom URL, you got to delete your existing custom URL. After it's being removed, it's free to be claimed by another creator. Number two, you can choose a custom URL based upon your display name, your YouTube username, any current vanity URLs you may have, or the name of your linked website. Number three, when sharing a YouTube channel link, you can use uppercase or lowercase. All of them go to YouTube channel homepage. Number four, you can remove a custom URL for your YouTube channel up to 3 times a year. Do you want to know how to change your YouTube channel name on your desktop or phone? If that's a yes, watch my next video on how to change your YouTube channel name in 2020. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.